everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Kelly's Crafts. Today, we're going to be talking about all things game night. So come with me as we prepare crafts to go along with your game night that you might have. So the first thing we're going to do is pretty simple. It's a banner, and it's going to be made out of these large cards. Now, you can find these at the dollar store, or if you don't have large cards, you can use regular size cards. These are playing cards, but you could also use Uno cards or Skippo cards, whatever you have on hand if you don't want to go out. So we're going to take some yarn, and we're going to cut the string as long as you want it, or as long as your banner needs to be, like that. And once we have our yarn cut, we're gonna take our cards and we're going to hole punch them on the top. So just like that. And once you've done all of them, just on the top, take your string, and depending on what way you want them to face, just thread it through. So, and you know, sometimes it's hard, it might be hard to get the string through a hole punch. You could use a plastic needle to help, or what you can do is take the hole punch and just punch it out a little bit more, like that, and that way the hole might be bigger. So if you have somebody that can't handle the string very well, that might help. So you just want to thread your cards on once you've finished hole punching them all. And then once you do that, we're going to reveal the decoration. Okay. So if it's a game night theme, we now have a game night banner.